With a history of designing innovative battery-powered crimping tools for the electrical contractor, Greenlee has done it once again. We've developed a new crimping tool that is specifically designed to make your job faster, safer, and easier. With the new Greenlee Gator 6-ton battery-powered crimper, you'll have the power, flexibility, and maneuverability to get the job done.
I'm Jim Isley. I'm the product manager at Greenlee for crimping tools. Greenlee has developed new technology that allows battery-powered tools to be lighter and smaller. We're introducing the new EK628 crimping tool that is lighter and smaller than any other battery-powered 6-ton crimping tool available.
The EK628 weighs only 5.5 pounds compared to 8 or 10 pounds with other 6-ton battery-powered crimping tools on the market. This makes the EK628 very easy to handle and maneuver as an extension of the operator's arm straight into a panel box. The EK628 was designed with an open jaw configuration that easily fits around the connector to be crimped. The tool is light enough to be held in one hand, while the other hand positions the cable and the connector to be crimped. And like other Greenlee crimping tools, the EK628 is UL and CUL classified with 7 brands of connectors. Let's further define the UL and CUL classification of the EK628. For copper color-coded connectors, the EK628 is classified for 8 AWG through 600 KC MIL. And for aluminum color-coded connectors, the tool is classified for 8 AWG through 300 KC MIL. For crimps with a copper connector, use the KC22 crimping dies. Dies are easily installed by pulling out the knob on the jaw, sliding the die into place, and releasing the knob. By doing this on both sides of the jaw, the dies will be firmly held in place and ready for crimping. For aluminum connectors, use KA22 crimping dies.
The EK628 uses a 9.6 volt nickel cadmium battery. The battery is sized to fit the tool. It's not so large that it causes the tool to be out of balance, yet it's powerful enough to provide an average of 70 crimps per battery charge. As I mentioned before, the EK628 uses crimping jaws so that you can easily get the jaws around a connector. Also, the crimping jaws rotate 350 degrees to help get into the right position for making a crimp. To make a crimp, all you need to do is put your finger on the trigger and pull the trigger. When the crimp is complete, the jaws automatically open. This signals the operator that the crimp was full and complete. Sometimes you may need to open the crimping jaws when you haven't completed a crimp. To do this, you simply pull on the button on the back of the tool. Now let's do a couple crimps. The first crimp I'd like to do is with a 600 KC-MIL copper lug. This is the largest connector that the EK628 can crimp. To prepare for the crimp, simply place the connector on the crimping dies in the crimping jaws. Note that the green color on the connector is matched by the green dot on the crimping dies. Now let's start the crimp. When the jaws opened, that signaled that the crimp was full and complete. And notice that the full crimp only took about 6 seconds. Now let's do one more crimp. This time we'll crimp a 1/0 aluminum lug. I've already changed the crimping dies, and note that the tan color on the connector matches the tan dot on the crimping dies. And here we go. Again, the crimp only took about 6 seconds.
Some customers will already have other brands of crimping dies they would prefer to use with Greenlee's EK628. For those customers, we offer additional crimping jaws, such as the CJD3 for Burndy W-style dies, and the CJK for customers who own Thomas & Betts 6-ton crimping dies.
Another feature of the EK628 is it's very easy to change these jaws. Let me show you. Simply push in on this knob, turn it counterclockwise, and then remove the jaw. Then just drop the other jaw into place, push the knob in, and you're ready to crimp with the new jaws. Now let's go out to the field and see the EK628 in action on a real job site. Now that you've seen the EK628 on the job, I want to show you the accessories that come with it. First, it comes with 2 batteries, so while you're using one, you can always be charging the second one. And it comes with your choice of 3 battery chargers. A 120-volt charger is used in regular wall outlets, a 12-volt charger that can be used in trucks, or a 220-volt charger for markets outside North America. All of this comes in a heavy-duty molded carrying case.
Greenlee's EK628 is the lightest 6-ton battery-powered crimping tool on the market today. It's priced to also be the most cost-effective, and it's available now.